Hello students, welcome to class A. Today we are going to see exercise 3.2. Here in this exercise, division of algebraic expression we are going to see. First one, divide monomial by monomial. Divide it 27 y power 3 by 3y. So you can cancel this one in 3 table 9 times. Then 9, if it is in the division, you have to use the laws of exponent. If division means you have to subtract the power. Therefore, 3 minus 1 is equal to 2. Your answer is 9 y power 2. Then here x cube y square by x square y. If you see here, x 3 minus 2 into y 2 minus 1, which is equal to 3 minus x 3 minus 2 into y 2 minus y. X equal to 3 minus 2 is 1. So x and then 2 minus 1 is 1. Your answer is x and x into y. Next question. 45 x cube y square z power 4 by minus 15 xy z. Therefore, in 15 table, 15 ones are 15 threes are. This minus you have to take to the numerator. Therefore, minus 3 x power 3 minus 1 into y power 2 minus 1 and then z power 4 minus 1. Minus 3 x power 3 minus 1 is 2, 2 minus 1 is 1, therefore y 4 minus 1 is 3, minus 3 x square y z cube. If they given whole power 2, you have to multiple the power with the exponent, that is 3 power 2 into x power 2 into y power 2 by 9xy, which is equal to 3 into 3 is 9 x square y square by 9xy. 9 table 1 time, then here x 2 minus 1 is 1, again 2 minus 1 is 1. So your answer is xy. Next, simplify 3m square by m. If you simplify this first term, 3m, division means subtract the power. So 2 minus 1 plus 2m power 4 by m power 3. So 2m 4 minus 3, which is equal to 3m plus 2m. If you see here, 3m and 2m are the like terms, so you can add this one. 3 plus 2 is 5m. Next question, we can cancel in 2 table. 2 7s are, then p power 5 minus 2, q power 3 minus 1, minus in 3 table 4 times 4 p power 3 q power 4 minus 2, which is equal to 7 p power 5 minus 2 is 3 minus 1 is 2 minus 4 p cube q 4 minus 2 is 2. Then if you see here, both are the like terms. So you have to subtract this one. 7 minus 4 is 3. 3 p cube q square. If it is a like terms, that is the power should be, the variable and the power should be same in both the terms, means we can say that is a like terms. And then if it is a alternate sign, subtracted, and greater number sign is plus, so plus 3 p power cube q square. Then divide. First two sum, do as homework. We'll move to the third question. If you see the third question, polynomial by monomial, Keep that in your mind. All the terms of the polynomial is divided by the monomial. So each terms of polynomial is divided by the monomial. Therefore 5xy square by 6xy minus 18x square y cube by 6xy plus 6xy by 6xy. You know what is mean by polynomial? Polynomial means an expression which contains two or more terms is called polynomial. Monomial means an expression which contains only one term. So if you see here, we can't able to cancel the number 5 by 6. So write as it is. Then x and x cancel. Y, 2 minus 1 is 1. So y. In 6 table, 3 times 2 minus 1 is 1. Therefore x. Then y, 3 minus 1 is 2. Here 6 table 1 time, x and x, y and y cancel. So your answer is 5 by 6y minus 3xy square plus 1. Next one, polynomial by monomial. But if you see here, the whole power 2 they given. So you have to multiply the power with the exponent. 3 square, p square, q square, r square. Then divide each term by monomial. 81 by 3 square means you have to multiply the 3 twice. 3 into 3 is 9. Take the constant term outside and then p power 4 r cube by p square, q square, r square. My plus 2p cube, q cube, r square by p square, q square, r square minus 5p square, q square, r square by p square, q square, r square. 81 by 9, p 4 minus 2 is 2. Then here 2 minus 2 is 0. R 3 minus 2 is 1 plus 2, 3 minus 2 is 1. So p, then q is equal to again 3 minus 2 is 1. So your answer is q and r square cancel. Minus here p square, q square, r square cancel it and your answer is 5. 81 by 9 p square r plus 2 pq minus 5 is your answer. So if you cancel here in 9 table, 9 ones are 9, 9s are. Multiple the 9 to the polynomial. 9 into p square r plus 9 into 2 is 18 p square minus 9 5s are 45. So the answer is 9 p square r plus 18 p cube minus 45. Sixth one, identify the error and correct them. Just simplify the left hand side and see whether the right hand side answer is correct. If not, what answer you are getting on the left hand side is the correct answer. So if you see the terms, all the terms are like terms because the variable and the powers are same. So you can simplify. 7 minus, if no number is there, you have to assume as 1. So 7 minus 1 is 6. 6y square plus 3y square, which is equal to 6 plus 3 is 9y square. But here they given as 10y square, which is wrong. Your correct answer is 9y square. Then again if you see here, both are the like terms. So add it. 6 plus 3 is 9xy. But in your right hand side they given 9x square y square. You should not add the powers if the sign is the positive. Then third one, multiple the monomial with the binomial. 4 m into m is m square. That is here 1, here 1. You have to add the power when you are multiple. So 1 plus 1 is 2. Minus 3 into m. So the correct answer is 4m square minus 3m. But in your right hand side they given 4m square minus 3, which is wrong. Then now if you see your left hand side, the one term is in the bracket. So you have to multiply the power with the exponent. 4 square n square minus 2n plus 3. 4 square means you have to multiply the 4 twice. 4 into 4 is 16 n square minus 2n plus 3. But in your right hand side they given 4n square, which is wrong. Then binomial with binomial. So multiple x into x is x square. X into 3 is 3x. Then minus 2 into x is minus 2x. Minus 2 into 3 is minus 6. If you see here 3x and 2x are the like term. So you can simplify this one. 3 minus 2 is 1. So plus x. Greater number sign is plus. So you have to write plus minus 6. Your answer is x square plus x minus 6. But in your right hand side, your the term plus x is not given. Then your sixth question do has a homework. We'll move to the seventh one. Seventh question is statement A: if 24p square q is divided by 3pq, then the quotient is 8p. So you have to simplify and see whether the given quotient is correct or not. If it is true, you can say A is true, and if not, means A is false. Statement B: simplification of 5x plus 5 divided by 5 is 5x. So you have to simplify and see whether you are getting the 5x. If not, your answer is say that it is false. If you get 5x, then you can say it is a true. Now statement A: 24p square cube by 3pq. Here in 8 times 2 minus 1 is 1. Then q and q cancel, which is equal to 8p. So you got the answer 8p. What they given is correct. So write A is true. Then statement B: 5x plus 5 by 5. So if you see here, divided by 5 means each term is you have to divide by 5. 5x by 5 plus 5 by 5. Cancel one time. Here 1. So your answer is x plus 1. But here they given as 5x, which is false. So B is false. Take and write A is true, but B is false. Then 8th question, do as a homework. Complete all the worked out problem in your classwork note and submit the note to the G14 room on Monday or Thursday. Thank you, students.